Sensors lie sometimes, spikes, dropouts, garbage. A filter throws the bad readings out before they ever reach your data. A Krill server right here on this machine, empty. Everything we add is a node, a raw sensor reading. And a clean copy, but this one only accepts sane values. Give it a filter group. Gee! With one rule, discard anything above 100. Wire the clean point to watch the sensor through the filter. Now every reading has to pass. Let's get in close. 50 comes in range, it passes straight through. Now a spike, 150, too high. The filter rejects it and the clean value holds at 50. 80, sane again, it passes. That's one filter. DiscardAbove, DiscardBelow, Deadband, Debounce. Stack them to keep your data clean.